All right. Had lunch and we're gonna head down now to the river again. I'm gonna see what's in store for us. Nice little trip. Lots of flowers. Honestly, it sounds like it's raining all the time. The noise of the river outside of the room.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing.
It's pretty amazing.
Yeah.
This is my survival kid. Aren't you, Abby? Whoa, cuidado. Whoa, better. You can see this trail going right along the edge. It's right by the only rivers it comes in. Whoa. You right, sweetheart? All right. You probably can't hear me. Woo-hoo-hoo! Just a minute, sweetheart. Well, I don't know if you can see this or if you can hear me. How do you feel, Abby? Okay, go. Carefully. Well, I'm more afraid than she is. Wow, she won't even wait for me. All right. Pretty amazing. Yeah, right up there. We came over there from up there. Here we go again.
Should I go on my own?
Go for it.
Pink one.